Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best paint respirators. After splashing colors and unifying the motif of your walls, pause for a moment. A respirator can help you work harder for longer, whether you're using strong paints or stripping pigment from old wood. Today, we're sifting through the 5 best options to add to your tool shelf. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th paint respirator in our list is the Honeywell Paint Spray and Pesticide Reusable Half Mask, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This cost-effective, secure mask doesn't skimp on functionality. For outstanding defense against gases, vapors, and particles, this convenient set comprises 2 organic vapor cartridges and 2 R95 filters. The sealed packaging attests to its status as an official Honeywell product, and it guarantees the mask is completely sanitary and has not been tampered with. You can totally reuse it since the cartridges and filters are quick to replace. To go extra, the mask is compatible with all the N-series cartridge versions. It's perfect for home painting activities, garage welding, and other tasks thanks to its convenient backpack adapter. To prevent unintentional disconnections while working, the cartridge connectors are threaded. Meanwhile, the contoured face seal, which is made to match the majority of face shapes, has a variable thickness for the best possible sealing in each facial region. Best of all, the top strap has a minimal give for solid support during prolonged use at work. Durable and long-lasting, it has an elastomeric construction. However, some users find that the elastic is constantly stretching, so the elastic straps might need to be constantly pulled tight to keep the airtight seal. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who might want to wear goggles along with a respirator, since it has a low-profile cartridge that enables a wider field of view. The 4th paint respirator in our list is the Breath Buddy Respirator Mask, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Breath Buddy's filter-equipped respirator mask offers sufficient defense against gases, vapors, particles, and fumes. Each model in the line is backed by the company's pledge to excellence, consistency, and dependability. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a full-time worker who needs a construction mask, you can be at ease with the fact that your lungs are being properly protected. Its 2-stage filtration system guards against exposure to a range of gases and vapors, as well as airborne particles. This is made possible with cartridges and a particle filter, so steam or fumes from organic chemicals are eliminated when wearing it. It also works nicely with included safety glasses since they're made of high-quality materials. You can concentrate on your task at hand because of the long-lasting lens clarity provided by the fog-free coating. We love how it provides lightweight, adjustable respirators, and the exceptional seal offered by these face masks doesn't come at the expense of your comfort. Breathe Buddy masks were made to be cozy enough to wear all day long. Now, a small consideration to keep in mind. A few users noted that a tiny bit of sawdust managed to find its way into the mask section. It's a minor inconvenience, but nothing that a quick clean couldn't fix. And rest assured, it wasn't enough to trigger allergies. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people with sensitive noses since this has zero odor technology. The 3rd paint respirator in our list is the KISCHERS Reusable Half Facepiece, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The 2 filter boxes have separate installation orientations, and the left and right sides of each rotate in opposing ways. The left side rotates upward, while the right side rotates downward. Meanwhile, the protective goggles can shield your eyes from injury and stop airborne liquids, chemicals, and microparticle dust from splashing into your eyes as you work. Food-grade silicone is used to manufacture the elastic silicone incorporated in this, which will not irritate you, help you breathe easily, and assist in the removal of heat and moisture. Wear it to avoid breathing in harmful gases or particles. Adjust the wearing angle until you feel comfortable and sealed. On top of that, the flexible cover adapts flawlessly to every face shape. Since the cold flow exhalation valve has a wide opening range, breathing is easier, less heat and moisture buildup occurs within the mask, and the air is kept fresh. Just take note that the pressure may cause some marks on your nose bridge, but it remained easy to breathe in and kept paint fumes out. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, those who are working a job with exposed to fumes, pollen, dust, organic vapors, or gases, as this item blocks 97% of particles in the air. The 2nd paint respirator in our list is the PD100 Full-Phase Organic Vapor and Particulate Respirator, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This PD100 model is like a trusty companion, always there to keep you safe during the toughest jobs. It excels in a wide range of settings from environmental technology to mining, metallurgy, and various forms of manufacturing and production. Whether you're working with primary metals or in agriculture, this respirator has your back. Crafted with precision, it not only provides clean air but also acts as a shield against any flying debris. It's your go-to in emergencies, especially for exposure to chemical agents or when dealing with industrial fumes. The premium silicone material ensures a snug, airtight seal in your face, offering a robust defense against noxious scents and hazardous gases. Plus, it's compatible with filter attachments in the bayonet type, making it versatile for a range of tasks including chemical cleanup, machining, painting, and welding, among others. Another standout feature is its air circulation technology, which keeps your face pleasantly cool while ensuring the lens stays clear, free from any fogging. This ingenious design actively disperses hot, humid air, minimizing excess heat buildup while maintaining a high level of comfort. Additionally, it includes a speaking diaphragm to ensure clear communication while wearing the mask. This means you won't have to remove the respirator in hazardous situations just to be heard. One important note to keep in mind, this particular model doesn't come with a specific filter for casting out organic compounds. So if you're working with particularly strong chemicals, it's advisable to invest in a dedicated filter beforehand. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for workshop enthusiasts who have a small face, since this item has high-density elastic straps. The best paint respirator in our list is the 3M Performance Paint Project Respirator 6001, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. What's truly remarkable is its ability to significantly reduce exposure to specific organic vapors that often accompany latex and oil-based painting tasks. It's an ideal companion for activities like paint spraying, applying varnishes, stains and sealants, as well as working with solvents, certain solvent-based cleaners, and pesticides. Another thing we're impressed with is its compliance with the stringent standards of the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. Equipped with an OV cartridge with P95 filter, it effectively filters out a minimum of 95% of both solid and liquid aerosols, along with certain organic vapors. This ensures you can work with confidence, knowing you're protected from a wide range of potential hazards. You might notice that it becomes more difficult to breathe through blocked respirators. When the sorbents and gas and vapor cartridge filters get saturated, contaminants begin to pass through. This is what we call a breakthrough. To combat this, 3M comes with different kinds of filters. For one, the electrostatically charged fibers of the basic 3M particulate filter are what capture particles. As contamination builds up, this filter enhances the mask's screening capacity. Using a categorization system, it particularly clears debris generated by mechanical processes like sanding and grinding, debris generated by thermal processes such as welding, and particles made of hazardous materials. On the other hand, you can also use 3M's gas and vapor cartridge filters. To soak up the gas, these filters rely on sorbent material and molecules of vapor. Typically, carbon grain that has undergone special treatment serves as the sorbent. The sort of gases or vapors that are absorbed by this substance will vary according to the chemical treatment given to the carbon surface. It filters contaminants like acid gases, ammonia, and mercury. One thing to note is that this is quite thick, so it's a better option for well-ventilated work areas. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who works with glasses, as this one has a flexible membrane that secures the fit so your glasses won't fog up. And there you have it, folks, our best paint respirators, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next paint respirator roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.